Welcome back to Joseph IT. If you want your boring lock screen of Windows to be a fresher one, then this video is going to help you. Simply right-click and go to Personalize. Come to Lock Screen. Here you can see the default lock screen is this, which is called as Windows Spotlight. If I turn it to Picture, it will show many images from which you can select the lock screen. And you can also choose your own images by Browse Photos. You can see the lock screen is changed with my given image. You also can use slideshow. Just have to follow the instruction given. But I love the still images given by default. So, this is how you can simply change your boring blue lock screen and use yours. Please be with us and also subscribe to Inspire. Goodbye.